Hello guys, welcome to Virgo Philippines. Love reading tayo. Meron akong reading na ginawa sa career, so you might want to check it out kung gusto mo nang nakafocus sa career. Then, yeah. Sana mag-subscribe ka ha kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, and please do comment down below. Kahit po heart lang, smiley. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. Start na natin ang reading mo. Jing Tarot Reader, siya yung nagbibigay ng personal reading. Friend ko yun, guys. Paki-search na lang siya sa Facebook. Five of Wands. The Star. Queen of Cups. Page of Cups. Page of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles. If you are currently connected with someone, nakita tayo dito ng pag-aaway or pagkakagalit, pwedeng ganun. Na parang, ayoko na sa'yo, parang ganun. That kind of energy. Pero nandun yung parang, ibibigay ko na lang sa anak ko itong pagmamahal, effort, etc. And that could be you or yung person mo. So, I feel like there's this, may pagtutulungan pa rin. Maybe regarding money matters, financial matters, etc. May pagtutulungan regarding doon. But you know, pagdating doon sa emotion, medyo nakukulangan tayo kasi parang mas madali nang magalit ngayon. And tell me more. Who is this person? Kunin natin yung energy ng person mo. Muna. Person nakakonect ni Virgo, please tell me. Spirit guides, angel guides, person nakakonect ni Virgo. Person nakakonect ni Virgo. So, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos, please. Person nakakonect ni Virgo. Okay. You're dealing with someone who is very, very, very immature. Page of Pentacles and the Page of Swords. But yet, nakikita niya yung sarili niya as the Queen of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. So, nakikita niya na binibigay niya naman lahat, na ginagawa naman niya lahat. But this person's really immature. You know? Para siyang bata. And, some of you could be very young nung magkaroon kayo ng relationship or pareho kayong bata pa nung nagkarelasyon, naging mag-asawa, pwedeng ganun. And some of you pwedeng may childhood memories kayo together. It's like pwedeng yung iba hindi mo siya nakilala na ganyan siya talaga. Dahil maybe you have focused on love with the Page of Cups and the Queen of Cups. Some of you naman, pwedeng, oo, nagkakilala kayo ng bata ka pa, pero nag-mature ka na eh. Pero siya parang naiwan with the Page of Swords and the Page of Pentacles. Parang naiwan yung utak niya. Bakit ganun pa rin siya mag-isip? Ganun pa rin siya whatsoever, ganyan. And there's relationship here with the lovers. Nakakita naman tayo ng love dito. At the Hierophant, there's a lesson na kailangan mong matutunan. That's why parang ito yung naging person mo kasi may mga dapat kang matutunan sa kanya. And some of you pwedeng may mga desisyon na kailangan gawin na may kinalaman sa future. Okay? So, Ano yung emotion nyo para sa isa't isa? For Virgos, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Emosyon nyo para sa isa't isa. Nakakita ko ng like a billboard. A billboard. Ayan. And a lighthouse or bahay na malapit sa dagat. Nakakita rin ako ng ship. Okay. I don't know. Yun yung mga yun yung mga nakita kong image. So, hindi ko alam kung may connect ba yun sa'yo or what. You do have here the Knight of Cups. For the sign of Virgo, Knight of Cups, Ten of Swords, and Lovers. Why? Okay. The Hierophant. Emotions para sa itong person na to. Four of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. Why did I saw a page? Ano pala, Page of Pentacles. But Page of Pentacles is nagpapakita pa rin sa akin ngayon. There's this Queen of Swords and this is like nasa gitna. The way I see this is that some of you, emotion yung tinatanong ko pero some of you parang madali lang sa'yo na i-end kung ano man itong beautiful. I see this as a beautiful relationship. I don't know why, but it's like a beautiful relationship connection. And madali lang para sa'yo i-end ito basta may magandang offer. This could be maybe a new person, kung may new person, no? Pero kung wala, maybe kung may magiging magandang offer sa'yo, maybe regarding career, whatever, parang take only what resonates. Either there's a new person or a career na parang hinihintay mo na pag ito dumating, I can easily end this relationship. I can easily end whatever I am feeling right now. No? So, parang kaya mong i-end. And because it's not enough may love pero hindi ganon kalaki. Like you love this person but it's not enough to stay, parang ganon. And regarding your person, emotion niya, this person's busy, focusing on money, focusing on career. The Hierophant is here, so pagdating sa usaping emotion, medyo mas mature siya sa'yo. Mature in a way na parang hindi niya binibig deal or hindi niya masyadong pinapalaki or whatever. And Queen of Swords, this person sees you as someone of very importante para sa kanya. So, sabihin na lang natin ganun. Importante ka para sa kanya. And that's why both of you are not making any choices, not making any movement or decision ngayon. Kasi sabihin na nga natin sa'yo, mahal mo pero hindi sapat. And you can end this easily pero you're not making any movement kasi yun nga, sa nabanggit ko, pwedeng you're waiting for something. Na itong person naman na ito, importante ka para sa kanya, kailangan ka niya. So, although I don't feel like ika-cut off ka nitong person na to. Kung may magka-cut off dito, or mag-i-end na relationship na ito, ikaw yon. Nakakita nga pala ako ng upuan. This could be your reading. Like a wooden stool, yung usually na inuupuan ng estudyante, yung kahoy, or like a wooden chair na nasa dining table, mga ganun. This could be your reading. Or maybe you're currently working or studying while watching my video or just listening sa aking video. No? This could be your reading. What will happen in the future for you? Virgo, pagdating sa love. Okay, there's so many cards here. Hindi ko kukunin yung mga nakataob, guys. I will only take this one. Ito lang yung nakalabas. And the rest, hindi ko ito kukunin. In the near future for the sign of Virgo, please. The High Priestess. 2 of Cups. The Empress. The Wheel. And the Tower. Halos puro major arcana. Clarify the Tower. Lalo sa side niya, lahat ay major arcana. 9 of Cups. What's with the Wheel? 9 of Pentacles. What's with the Empress? The Chariot. What's with the 2 of Cups? The Fool. What's with the High Priestess? The Emperor. What's with the 6 of Pentacles? 10 of Wands and the 4 of Swords is here. 3 of Wands. Okay. I can see big change in the near future. Big change. Pagdating sa relationship ninyo ng person mo, some of you, there's going to be a new beginning. Okay? Nakita tayo dito ng like medyo mas daming obligasyon. In the future, may pagtutulungan pagdating sa money. But I can see success. Okay? Nakita rin tayo ng soon na pagta-travel for you. And wag mong panghinayangan yung travel kasi it's like it will give you something na parang makakatulong sa success mo. Like maybe an advice na makukuha mo right after the travel or something dun sa pagta-travel na yun na matutunan mo. New skills, etc. 9 of Pentacles, this is money. This is something na parang hindi mo ini-expect but soon enough it will happen. Okay? May dadating sa yung unexpected blessing. Some of you look so maganda, parang ganun, babae man or lalaki. And this person sees you as that, no? And if you are in a relationship, pag nakikita kang maganda or maayos ng person na ito, maayos na rin ang tingin niya sa sarili niya, no? And there's this energy na parang maybe you are too perfectionist to notice that kasi ang mas nakikita mo when you're being a perfectionist, of course you are a Virgo, kasama talaga yun sa kaugalian mo being a perfectionist. When you're being perfectionist kasi ang mas napapansin mo yung mali, so hindi mo napapansin yung maganda sa kanya. But definitely this person is, kung Virgo din siya, never mind, kasi sa totoo lang, pwedeng kahit Virgo siya, pwedeng hindi naman siya ganun na nagno-notice ng mga tiny details sa'yo. Especially pagdating sa natal chart niya. Okay? And I can see na kahit wala kang gawin, you will be you will become successful with this person. Kasi nakikita ko yung support niyang taong ito. So, nandiyan yung support niya, lagi lang siya nandyan for you. So, that is already enough to make you the best version of yourself. Kumbaga, kailangan mo pa rin tong taong to help you grow, to help you be that person na gusto mong maging, no? And yeah, in the near future, there's this new beginning, there's this new goal, and magiging maganda yon, lalo na kung makikipag-connect or communicate ka dito sa person na ito regarding that. Kasi I can see the support of this person towards you, towards your goals, and etc. Okay? And yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.